We're working on our 2025 Porsche GT4 RS, and our client is, believe it or not, you know, when you have a car like this, that is a super duper supercar extraordinaire, you would think there's nothing else you can do. I guess what we find ourselves doing here is the minute, really fine detail stuff that makes it personal to each of our clients. So today we're going to be working, Dave's got our steering wheel off, and it all comes apart in these beautiful pieces like this. But what we're doing today is we're going to be replacing these factory, you can't really hear these, they're kind of soft, these factory paddle shifters for these beautiful magnetic jobbers here that you can really, man, it feels like you're pulling the trigger on a shotgun almost, whatever that feels like, I don't know. But yeah, so we're going to be replacing these with these, and these upgraded, they're a little bit larger paddle handles, and we'll get this thing all put back together, and then we get to the fun part, which is going to be the extremely insane titanium exhaust system, which is going to make this thing scream like a wild animal in a good way. it.